activities to keep you excited all along the session. But before starting this session of DSC LNCT, let me introduce you all with some common rules of this Kickstart session as well as of being a member of DSC LNCT. We could have organized offline events, met you all in person, but due to this pandemic, we have to go with online events. Nevertheless, let's make this event feel like an in-person event and keep our video on so that we can see all the exciting faces. But I want to tell you that the session is being recorded and will be uploaded on YouTube. So if you are not comfortable, you can keep your video off. Next, keep your mic mute during the session to avoid any sort of audio disturbances. And the most important one, share aloud. Use the chat window or unmute yourself to share your thoughts and ask questions. But remember not to do any kind of spamming. Next, engagement. We want you all to be with us and actively participate in all the activities organized by DSC LNCT. Next, be respectful and collaborative. We are all part of a community and we are here to connect with each other, learn together, and grow together. So respect each other. Okay, so moving ahead, let's start with some warm-up activity. We would love to know how you all are feeling right now. Are you all excited for this event or whatever your mood is? So go to slido.com and enter the code 66666. You will see a question there. How are you feeling? Write down a word or a phrase about your mood. So just enter the slido.com on some other tab and you will see a meeting code over there. Write down 66666. Can we have the answers on the screen?
I think the answers are visible to everyone. Like we got very few responses till now.
Okay. Nice. So much good responses. Good. Great to see this engagement with all the people. Quite busy day, but now excited. Yes, we are also excited for this event. Okay, so can we get back to the presentation? So moving ahead, let me tell you more about DSC. Developer Student Clubs is a technical community that combines all the university students and all the other students who want to learn, share ideas, and come up with viable projects that are likely to solve day-to-day problems. The clubs are intended as a space for students to try out new ideas and collaborate to solve problems. The mission of DSC is to bridge the gap between theory and practice. And at DSC LNCT, we welcome each and everyone who is interested in development, irrespective of their year of study or their branch. Even we have diversity in our organizing team. It consists of team members from different years and different branches. You will get to know them pretty soon when we will be introducing our team. So now let's discuss what are the benefits of being a part of DSC LNCT. First, next slide, please. Yes. So first, connect. You get a chance to meet other students on campus who are interested in developer technologies. Second, learn. You get to learn about a wide range of technical topics where new skills are gained through hands-on workshops and project building activities. And finally, grow. You can apply your new learnings and connections to build some great solutions for local problems. So advance your skills, career, and network. And then you can give back to the community by helping others learn as well. So now, how can you maximize your learning as a member of DSC LNCT? So most of our sessions are going to be hands-on. So try to attend all the sessions on PC so that you can practice what is being told in the sessions simultaneously. Next, be shameless in asking questions. Learn to take steps for yourself by asking questions, and remember, there is no silly question. So just ask whatever doubt you have. Don't choose any path too soon. Take time. Try to be a jack of all and king of one. Explore about various domains available and master at least one of them. And then inspiration can come from anywhere. You don't know when you will see someone in problem and some idea clicks in your mind for solving that. And that may someday turn up into a startup plan. So just be curious about things. So now let's talk about who are DSC leads. Developer Student Club leads are passionate leaders at their university who are dedicated to helping their peers learn and connect. And I'm Yukti Rapartiva, Developer Student Club's lead of of LNCT. I'm a third year computer science student and I'm an Android developer and a machine learning enthusiast. And more importantly, I'm a community person. I'm also part of other communities such as I'm a community volunteer at Google Developers Group Bhopal and a co-organizer of Tech by Her initiative of Facebook's Developer Circle Bhopal. I find happiness in learning together and helping others. And that's the reason I applied to be a DSC lead. Another reason to stand for DSC lead is that DSC has helped me a lot. I was a complete beginner when I first got introduced to DSC at our college in my second semester. Now, how I became a DSC lead. Registration for DSC lead started in the month of March. I filled a long registration form and uploaded a YouTube video. And then I gave an interview, and finally in the month of August, I got a mail from DSC India stating that I have been selected as DSC lead for my campus. And being a committee, at times we may need a faculty supervision. So for that, we have our faculty POC. And let me introduce you to Dr. Vivek Vicharia, sir. He is an experienced faculty of LNCT CSE department and has mentored students in various hackathons. He is also the head of LNCT Hackathon Club. I would like to request Vivek sir to pass his wisdom with us.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are
Just one.
audible.
Okay. Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Vicharya. I'm the faculty walk here at TSC LNCT. I have been a supervisor to thousands of students like you, and today I want you all to understand the importance of DSC here at Allen City. DSC has brought a major change to how people think and pursue development. And this time, we have opened for the students of every branch so that everyone can experience what the energy of DSC feels like. Also, I will be very happy to support every student here in the journey with DSC. Here, I would like to say programming skill is a very important for learning any technology or platform. So apart from, there are two clubs is also going on along with DSC. First one is Hackathon Club and second is AI Group. So in this year, 7 team has participated in Grand Finale 2020, the Smart Dia Hackathon, and out of 7, 3 teams have been winners and got cash prize 1 lakh rupees. Again, in the last year, there were 11 teams has participated in Grand Finale Hackathon, and 4 team has winners, 3 in software additions and 1 in hardware additions, and also got prize rupees 1 lakh rupees. We also conducted so many events in the last year, and I think you will remember that month of February we have conducted 24 and then 500 students have participated our this event. Last, I wish everyone all the very best and learn throughout this journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance. So,
Okay, Yuti.
moving ahead, let's start with introduction of the team that will be working for successful execution of all the events of DSC LNCT. So the team is divided into 3 categories: core team, technical team, and non-technical team. Starting with the core team, let me introduce you to our core team members who are going to supervise you throughout your journey. So the core team member have Arvind Kumar Singh as management lead. He will be looking forward towards successful execution of all the activities being organized by DSC LNCT. Arvind, will you please introduce yourself to everyone?
Thanks, Yukti, for introducing me. So, am I audible?
Yes,
Hello, am I audible?
please.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
hello
you are
everyone.
audible. Continue.
I am Arvind, a second year student of IT branch. I am currently interning with Kahani as a Flutter developer, and also I am interning with a startup 201 as a management intern, and I am seeing the team of campus ambassadors in startup 201. So that's all for my intro, and as you can see from the slides, I am the management lead of DSC City. So
Thank you,
there's not
Arvind.
much to say about me. So thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Okay.
Arvind. Next, we have Aditya Tomar as technical lead. He will take care of all technical activities at DSCL in City. Aditya, kindly introduce yourself.
Yeah, thanks, Shruti. So, am I audible?
Yes, you're. Continue.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. First of all, thanks for joining us. I am Aditya Tomar, junior grad in Electrical and Electronics branch. I am a web developer and a competitive programmer. I have been the JS mentor at AnitaB.org and also been the mentor for open source events such as Student Coding. And I have also been the ex-intern at Plebro Networks Private Limited. Apart from DSC, I am also a volunteer at GDG Bhopal and FC Bhopal. So yeah, that's all from my side. Yeah, you can continue.
Yes, thank you, Aditya. Next, we have Khushbu Chokse as Women Tech Lead. Her task is to motivate women to show participation in technical activities. Khushbu, please tell us more about you.
Hello,
Khushbu?
am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yukti, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You can continue.
Okay, okay. So hello everyone, I'm Khushbu Chokse from CSE branch. I'm currently in the fifth semester. So I'll going to be the Women Tech lead and web development mentor as well in the DSC team for this year. Being a woman tech lead, my main motive is to encourage girls to be more vocal and more active in the tech domain, and to make and also I have to take more initiatives that will help to bridge this gender gap. So speaking about that, I'm really hoping for all girls to show more participation and interaction in the upcoming events and activities. And on the technical front, I am a full stack web developer and a JavaScript enthusiast. I've been exploring Monstack and I've built a few projects which have got a lot of stars and appreciation from the open source community. Uh, you can see my projects over GitHub. Along with this, I have a zeal for communities, as communities have played a really strong role in my journey of learning. So, I'm also a part of JDG Bhopal as a community volunteer, and now I'm really excited for being a part of DSC and learning and growing together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Khushbu. Next is Shivam Singh as project lead. He will help in bringing innovation in the club. Shivam, please introduce yourself.
Okay, guys, I might be audible to you. So,
Yes.
as Yukti said, I am your project lead as well as machine learning mentor. I am basically my branch is electronics and communication, and I am presently in fifth semester, that is third year. So, I will be guiding and bringing new ideas for developing projects, and also I am presently a four-star coder at CodeChef with a rating of 1856, and apart from that, I have a great interest in machine learning as well as deep learning. So and I have developed many projects also, and I am also expert at Kaggle. So if you have any query related to machine learning or the roadmap, if you want to know, so I will be very happy to share with you my experience and the obstacle which I faced in learning those machine learnings and deep learning concepts. So I will be sharing with you and will be happy to share all my knowledge to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivam. Moving ahead with our technical team, let's have a look at what all domains we will be having. For the major domains, we contain 5 different categories. And for each major domain, we have the domain mentors to whom you could look for. So the first, we will be having Android development. And as Android development mentor, we have Hitesh Sahu. And he will be helping with all the activities being organized for Android development. And you can also reach out to him for any query related to Android. He has done a lot of he has done internship as an Android developer and a 9+ months training in software development. He is also interested in backend web development. So you can reach out to him for whatever doubts you have related to Android development. Next, we will be having web development. And as a web development mentor, we have Khushbu Chokshi. And I feel you are well introduced to her already, as she is also a woman tech lead. She will be helping with all the activities related to web development. And you can also reach out to her for any query related to web. Next domain is machine learning, and Shivam Singh will be a machine learning mentor. He is also a project lead and he will be helping in everything related to machine learning. For the next domain, we have augmented reality and virtual reality, which is really a cool domain. And as a AR VR mentor, we have Prince Khatri. He will be helping you all in working with AR VR. Prince, can you please introduce yourself with everyone?
Hi everyone. Hope I am audible to you.
Yes.
Hi everyone. I'm Prince Khatri from fourth year IT branch, and I'll be guiding you all through the roadmap of AR and VR, that is augmented reality and virtual reality. A rather cool domain. Just search it on internet what it is, and you will fall in love with it. And I'll be also happy to take your all queries regarding this field. Thank
Thank you, Prince. And then we have competitive programming, which is really an important domain for placements, as well as there are many competitions for competitive programming. So you need to know this well. And as our competitive programming mentor, we have Aditya Tomar, who is also our technical lead. You can reach out to him for any guidance or help related to competitive programming. This was all with our technical team, and they all are really great to work with. Now, let me introduce you to our non-technical team. I hope you have visited our social media platforms and have seen our posts. Behind all those creative stuffs, this team stands with their efforts. And now, let's get introduced to them. First, we have Palak Jain as our design lead. She puts all her efforts in designing the posters to make them as interactive as possible. Palak, would you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Palak Jain. I am the designing lead for DSC LNCT. I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication, and I am in the third year of my bachelor's now. So, about my experience, I have been a graphic designer for 2 years now, as in a freelance graphic designer, and I have been working as a graphic designer for various college clubs such as Young Indians and Rahat as well. So, apart from this, I'm very much interested in machine learning, and I'm also interested in the merge tech development. I love coding in Python. That's it for me.
Thank you, Palak. And if any one of you are interested in graphic designing, you can definitely reach out to her for any sort of guidance you need for that. Next, we have Rohit Mangwani as our editorial lead. He's the person behind all the written content here at DSC LNCT. Rohit, will you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are.
Thank you so much, Yukti. Hey everyone,
Yes, you are.
my name is Rohit Mangwani with my discipline of CSE and my year as third, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree from LNCT Bhopal, and I'm the editorial lead of DSC LNCT. I behold my experiences as a content writer and have worked with 3 companies and on 4 freelance projects. And I've kept my technical interest towards full stack Java development, means web and desktop applications. Alongside, I've chosen front-end development, and I'm so happy to be here and with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. Next, we have Harsh Thote as our outreach lead. He's the person in charge of spreading the vision of DSC LNCT with everyone. Harsh, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are.
So, hello everyone.
Yes, you are audible.
Myself Harshvardhan Thote, and I am from third sem CSE branch. As I'm outreach lead for the non-technical team of DSC. Knowing more about me, so recently we have won SIS 2020 Software Edition, mentored by Dr. Vivek Richarya sir. And as I'm outreach lead, so you guys can anytime approach me for any queries and information related. Thank you.
Thank you. So that was all about the introduction of our DSC team members. I am sure they will come along well. After the introduction of the team, let's move ahead with what we are going to do at DSC LNCT. We are going to organize various kinds of sessions. Firstly, we will have hands-on workshops. Actually, most of our sessions will be hands-on. So these hands-on workshops will help you gain a better understanding of the domain and do attend these workshops on a PC. Next, we will have expert tech talks in which we will be calling experts around the world to give you better insights. And then we will have boot camps. It is a 2 to 3 days event on a particular topic so that you can learn every aspect of that topic. Next, let's talk about the solution challenge. So the solution challenge is an annual contest that invites students from DSC communities to develop solutions for local community problems. All the DSC around the world come up with one challenge, that is to solve any local or global problem. Then 10 winning teams are selected around the world. This is something that we are very much looking forward to because it helps us fulfill our mission of bridging the gap between theory and practice. So, moving ahead, we have our ex-DSC lead with us. He is currently a software development engineer at Mindogs, and he is here to share some learnings that will help us build a career. So I would like to invite Sumit sir to share his experience with us.
Hey, hi everyone. Hi Yukti. Am I
Hi.
audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Sure.
Hello.
So yeah, first of all, thank you everyone to join this lovely session on introduction to DSC LNCT. So coming to the main topic, what DSC did, or what is the impact of DSC on my life or on my college life? I can say that the DSC played a very important role. You can
Hello.
say that DS. Hello.
Your voice is breaking.
No, it's clear. I think Yukti is it's problem by your side.
Okay. No problem. No problem. So yeah, can I continue?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So talking about the DSC, if anyone is new to DSC, then I must say you should join DSC community, because here you will get to know many things that will be helpful in your placements, that will be helpful in your overall development, and that will be helpful in what you can say, that will be helpful in exploring the various aspects of computer science. So if you are new to DSC, then just join DSC, attend some sessions, and then you will love all the sessions of the DSC, because I am saying this because of my experience. For example, when I started DSC, then I was not so much professional in Android development, but when I started taking sessions on Android development, then my knowledge of Android increased a lot. And not only Android, I learned how to manage community, how to work with the community, how to solve doubts, what are the types of doubt that students generally face during any Android session or during any particular session. So I must say that if you are new to DSC, then please join and attend some session, and you will definitely love it. um, as I can see here that there are a few DSC core team members also. You can say ex-DSC core team members from our team. So Abhishek, can you share a few words with our participants? Just 2-3 lines only.
Hi. My name is Abhishek Anand, and I was an ex competitive programmer mentor for the DSC team. So I just want to tell you, all of you guys, that you have a great chance to grow together. Any community is for growing together, and you can learn a lot from it. I've learned a lot from it that helped me getting placements and other achievements of mine. So I just tell all those core team members and all the participants who are going to participate in this community, who are going to join this community, this is a great chance for you to grow. So that's all.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. So my message to the core team also, that if you are mentoring someone, then don't just mentor the student, because you can learn something from them as well. So don't look at the perspective of a mentor, but look yourself as the perspective of a learner also. So in that way, you can learn more and more things in a very short period of time. So yeah, that's it from my side, Yusuf.
Thank you, Sumit sir. And also thank you, Abhishek sir, for your guidance. So now let's discuss on which platform we will be connecting each other and have a discussion forum. So we have chosen Slack for all sort of discussion we need at DSC LNCity. We will be sharing all the details of the events and various other opportunities available on Slack. So Also, you can ask all your doubts on our Slack workspace. So if any of you have not joined the Slack channel yet, do join it to be updated about all the activities of DSC LNCT. We will also be sharing the Slack link after the session. Also, you can find us on various social media platforms and we will be updating about all the events on them too. So you can connect with us over there also. Moving ahead, let's discuss what our next steps are going to be. So we will be starting all the activities at DSC LNCT from the basics and then move on to some advanced topics. If you are aware of the topic, then we would appreciate you to help others and solve their problems and also brush up your concepts with us. So we will be organizing Beginner's Track, which is a series of sessions. In this track, we will be having one-on-one introductions of various domains. So it will be like 60 long event having a one-on-one session each day of different domains. It will be like on day one, we will have one-on-one of Git and GitHub. Then on the next day, it will be Android development. Similarly, we will have machine learning, competitive programming, web development, and AR/VR on each day. We will soon be announcing this event on our Slack channel and other social media handles. So keep an eye on them to get updates of the event. Moving ahead, let's discuss what are the key takeaways from today's session. The first that we discussed was be shameless in asking questions. And then actively participate in all the activities organized by DSC LNCT. And this one is the important one, build projects to solve problems. Also, join our Slack workspace and other social media handles. And finally, if you have not yet signed up on DSC community platform, then create an account as soon as possible, as we will be having all the events on this platform. So we have introduced you with DSC LNCT, the team of DSC LNCT, and also what we are going to do. So now we want to know a little more about our audience. And for that, we have another activity for you all. So go to slido.com again and enter the same code 66666 and write down your most used programming language. We will love to know what all programming languages and what all area of interest our members have. Can we see the answers on the screen? Arvind, can we see answers on screen?
It's already visible to everyone. Actually, I've shared the screen earlier only.
Okay, sorry.
I think you need to pin the string.
Yeah. So we have 18 responses, 19. We're having Python, TypeScript, Java, code. Yeah. So various varieties of languages everyone is using. Keep the answers coming. So now,
Actually, no more answers, sir. Yeah, you
yeah,
can
yeah.
continue with the slide as
So now, if you guys have any question or any doubt regarding the whole session, feel free to unmute your mic and ask, or you can also write it down in your chat box. Also, if you have any thoughts about the session, you can share that too. We will be happy to listen all your thoughts about. Guys, you can ask any question, or also you can give the feedback about the session.
guys, if you are feeling shy in asking the questions directly by unmuting your mic, so then you can write the questions in the Slido anonymously without taking your name.
Okay, let me ask a question. Okay, how many people are here who have an interest in machine learning or computer vision? Can they mention in the chat that yes, they are interested? Okay, there are many. So
And how many for web development?
you can write WB or web. It will be more clear. iOS development. Interesting.
Okay, so
Okay,
everyone can write their interest according to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
ओके गाइस, किसी को अगर मशीन लर्निंग से रिलेटेड कुछ भी डाउट पूछना है या कुछ तो भी जानना है कि क्या कैसे किया, तो वो पूछ सकता है, बिल्कुल कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर. और सीपी से भी रिलेटेड पूछ सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Shivansh Mishra is asking how to start ML. वैसे तो एमएल के लिए बोलते हैं कि मैथ्स वगैरह जरूरी होती है या तुम्हारा मैथ्स में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, लेकिन आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ इतना कंपल्शन नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप लोगों को पाइथन आती है या पाइथन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, और अगर आप मतलब मशीन लर्निंग बेसिकली है क्या, आप अपन लोगों को मतलब पढ़ना है एल्गोरिदम्स, जो भी मशीन लर्निंग में एल्गोरिदम्स वगैरह यूज होती है, कितने टाइप की मशीन लर्निंग होती है, वो सब पढ़ना है। उसके पीछे जो मैथ्स है उसका हमें बेसिक जानना है कि वो वर्क कैसे करती है। तो बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच में हाइप रहता है कि हमें मशीन लर्निंग पढ़ने के लिए मैथ्स आनी चाहिए, अलजेब्रा आना चाहिए, ये आना चाहिए, वो आना चाहिए। लेकिन इतना कुछ टफ नहीं है। जब मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया था तो मुझे भी थोड़ा डर था कि हाँ मैथ्स लगेगा, तो मैथ्स मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो अच्छा है मेरा, लेकिन हाँ उतना ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी तो प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो बेसिकली जब हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे तो हम लोग बेसिकली करेंगे क्या, मशीन लर्निंग पाइथन से स्टार्ट करें, मतलब पाइथन से ही करेंगे ऑब्वियसली। तो हम लोग पहले जो पाइथन की बेसिक मॉड्यूल्स है वो सब पढ़ेंगे, और हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि जो भी एल्गोरिदम्स वगैरह यूज होती है मशीन लर्निंग में वो वर्क कैसे करती है। मतलब अगर आप अपने सराउंडिंग में ही देखोगे तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई मैंने मशीन लर्निंग करी है, मेरे को ये आता है, मैंने ये बनाया है। तो अगर तुम उनसे एक सिंपल सा बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, जो कि मशीन लर्निंग की सबसे बेसिक एल्गोरिदम है, लीनियर रिग्रेशन की, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट फिट लाइन, या हम बेस्ट फिट लाइन कैसे निकालेंगे लीनियर रिग्रेशन में, तो वो लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, मतलब हिचकिचाएंगे बताने में। तो हमारा मेन फोकस ये होगा कि हम थोड़ा बेसिक पे फोकस करते चले, और हम मतलब बेसिक पे थोड़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से कमांड रखें और चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए। तो मशीन लर्निंग के लिए मैंने जो लेक्चर्स देखे थे वो मतलब सारे फ्री थे। मैंने यूट्यूब से देखा था, एक कृष्ण नायक करके है, उनकी मशीन लर्निंग की प्लेलिस्ट देखी थी। तो आप लोग उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं स्टार्टिंग से, मतलब सबसे फर्स्ट वीडियो से मशीन लर्निंग की जो प्लेलिस्ट है उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया हुआ है उसमें। अगर किसी को मतलब डाउट है कैसे क्या स्टार्ट करना है। सीपी के लिए पाथ हमारे आदित्य तोमर जी है। आदित्य,
हेलो हेलो।
भाई सीपी के लिए पाथ पूछ रहा है दिनकर कुमार।
सीपी के लिए पाथ जो मतलब स्पेसिफिक टेक डोमेन पे जो वो होने वाला है, बिगनर्स ट्रैक, तो उसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे पूरा पाथ। अभी के लिए तो बस किसी भी एक लैंग्वेज को पकड़ो, उस लैंग्वेज पे फोकस करो। आगे कैसे क्या करना है वो सब आगे बिगनर सेशन होगा और सब बताया जाएगा। Yukti, there are lots of questions. You can take them if you want.
Yeah, we are sending the Slack link over the chat box so you can connect all the specific mentors there. Also, you can connect them on their LinkedIn. So, and also we are having beginners track, so you can ask all the doubts related to the domains there. It means we will be having a path over there, so you can be set have the path for all the domains. And how is
Okay, Gunjan Bhagade is asking, can we do CP with JavaScript or Python? Actually, I don't know about JavaScript, but we can do it with Python. Python से मतलब मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं वो पाइथन से कर रहे हैं, मतलब कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं आया है। बस बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि टीएलई आता है, मतलब जब भी हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो उसमें टाइम लिमिट एक्सीडेड आता है पाइथन से। बट अगर आप प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे ऑप्टिमाइज तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे, या जिन लोगों ने उस प्रॉब्लम को पहले से ही सॉल्व किया हुआ है पाइथन से, स्टार्टिंग में तो आपको ये करना चाहिए कि जिन लोगों ने पहले सॉल्व किया है पाइथन से, अगर आपका टीएलई आ रहा है तो आप उनके सॉल्यूशन देख के उनकी ट्रिक समझ सकते हो कि मतलब वो लोग यूज क्या करते हैं, मतलब व्हाट आर द शॉर्टकट्स, या व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ कोड दे राइट। सो उससे आपको बिल्कुल हेल्प मिलेगी, और पाइथन से भी हो सकता है, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है। बहुत सारे कोड फोर्सेस, कोड शेफ पे मास्टर 5 स्टार्स है, वो पाइथन से करते हैं।
पाइथन से बिल्कुल कोई इशू नहीं है। मैंने तो आईसीपीसी वर्ल्ड फिनाले में भी पाइथन से देखे हैं फिनाले जो गए हैं, तो इतना ज्यादा कुछ इशू नहीं आता पाइथन से। जावास्क्रिप्ट हर कोई कंपटीशन सपोर्ट नहीं करता है, इसीलिए जावास्क्रिप्ट इट्स बेटर नॉट टू डू सीपी इन जावास्क्रिप्ट।
Okay, so we have a question related online sessions. So अभी की सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग तो सब ऑनलाइन ही है, बाकी देखते हैं अगर सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हो के अपनी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन होने ऑफलाइन क्लासेस लगने लगती है then we can have offline events too.
Okay,
Any
let me
question
take
related to
the
DSC?
the Sheetal is asking. Let me first answer the Sheetal Lalwani's question. That how about CP in C++? It also faces TLE. शीतल अगर C++ में TLE फेस करता है, TLE आता है, तो आई थिंक वो लॉजिक प्रॉब्लम है. आपको जिन लोगों ने वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया हुआ है उनके सॉल्यूशंस देखने चाहिए. तो आई थिंक इट वुड क्लियर योर लॉजिक एंड कंसेप्ट. C++ में TLE कब जब आता है जब लॉजिक गलत हो या आप फॉर लूप लगा रहे हो लेकिन वो सिर्फ इफ एल्स से हो सकता है वो क्वेश्चन, तो TLE शो करेगा. वो क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करता है, क्वेश्चन को किस हिसाब से डिजाइन किया गया है.
So anyone have doubt related to the events we will be having or something? Mentor for Android dev is Hitesh Sahu. You can contact him on Slack. Also, we can share LinkedIn profiles. Just a minute. We'll be sharing LinkedIn links of every mentor so you can contact them. Also, any other, you can share your feedback also. So, any feedback about today's session? अनम्यूट कर सकते हो कोई इशू नहीं है, कोई कुछ अलग नहीं सोचने वाला, सब लोग अपने हैं. एंड डोमेन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस अपन जो बिगनर्स ट्रैक करने वाले हैं, सो उस पर कवर अप हो जाएगा. आपको पूरा कंप्लीट पार्ट मिल जाएगा 101 सेशन का कि कैसे आप स्टार्ट करके और अच्छा कर सकते हो. Yes, we will be learning. Not actually we learn, we will grow together. You will learn from us, we will also learn from us, and we will grow together. Yes, Sheetal, we will have web development in the 6-day track. The first topic will be Git and GitHub for that. In about 2 weeks, we'll be having the beginners track. हम लोग स्लैक पे भी अपडेट कर देंगे एंड सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आप लोग DSC एलएनसीटी सर्च कर सकते हो. आपको फेसबुक, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन और इंस्टा सब पे मिल जाएंगे. आप वहाँ पे भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो और वहाँ पे भी इवेंट्स की डिटेल सब दी रहेगी. Yes, Roshan, you will get to learn a lot about CP from DSC also. अपना प्रोग्राम about one session of college, like मार्च या अप्रैल तक रहेगा कंप्लीट प्रोग्राम. उसके बाद फिर से DSC रहेगा बट विथ अनदर लीड.
Also, there is one thing worth mentioning that if anyone feel comfortable in any tech domain, they can also guide us or teach us in some webinar. For that, you can contact the team.
Guys, can you share your LinkedIn leads on chat box? Everyone, please. All the mentors. And then we can have attendees LinkedIn also so that we can connect with everyone. So मैं सबकी डोमेन्स रिपीट कर देती हूँ. Aditya Tomar is for competitive programming mentor, and then Harsh Dhote is outreach lead. And you can also connect with Abhishek sir. He's also doing great in CP. And Prince Khatri will be our AR/VR mentor. Khushbu Chokse, web development mentor, and Shivam Singh is a ML mentor. And Palak Jain is design lead. You can contact him for graphic designing. CP mentor is Aditya Tomar. You're welcome, Roshan. Roshan. Sorry. Okay, so any other doubts? Android dev mentor is Hitesh Sahu. Okay, just a minute. Here's the link for Hitesh's LinkedIn. Any other doubts, guys? Okay, so we are wrapping up today's session. Thank you all for attending today's session and being so much interactive. We'll meet you soon in the next session. Meanwhile, happy coding. ठीक है, सब अपन ही बच्चे और लोग कहाँ होंगे? अच्छा